Hey there, it's Alex from RDP Arena. Today, I'm going to show you an easy way to connect to an RDP server on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Before we get started, make sure you have your RDP server details ready. You can find them in the welcome email sent by your RDP provider. Here's an example of what the email looks like. As you can see, it includes the server IP and login details. Go ahead and copy the IP address from it. Next, head over to your Windows search bar, type in Remote Desktop, and select the Remote Desktop Connection app from the search result. Once you're in the app, you'll see a field labeled Computer. This is where you need to paste the IP address of your RDP server that you copied earlier. Now, click on Connect. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your username and password. You can find this information in the same email you got from your RDP provider. Open your email to copy the username and password, and then paste them into the appropriate fields. Now, before you hit OK, you'll see an option called Remember Me. I suggest checking that box, so you don't have to enter the login details every time you connect. Click OK to proceed. You might get a message saying, the identity of the remote computer cannot be verified. Don't worry, this is normal. Just click Yes to continue. And there you go. You're now successfully connected to your RDP server. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the bell icon for future notifications. In case you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you out.